after several hours of floating, I let them float about 7 or 8 hours. You'll be able to look at that under the microscope and see what parasite you have. And it's important to know what parasite you're treating for, because different parasites need different drugs. So if you just start treating with a drug, you may be using the wrong one for the parasite your animal has, and it will do nothing. This is kind of technical stuff. I don't know how many of you really want to know the technical things for doing this. I'm going to skip ahead. So this is a picture of a basic stomach worm, an egg. So what we're looking at is not the worms, we're looking for the eggs. We're looking for evidence of the worms in the animal. So you can see it, the larvae already starting to develop inside the egg there. This is another one. This one is roundworm. Nematodyrus is your roundworm. And this one is whipworm. This is a major one. This is another stomach worm. This one is commonly called barber pole. And barber pole is pretty serious with alpacas. They suck a lot of blood. They can cause them to go anemic very, very quickly. And this is one of the parasites that also is very easy to develop resistance to the drugs. They're called barber pole because the adult worms inside the animal are actually red and white striped, just like barber poles, old-fashioned barber poles. You know, I guess they're called barber poles in front of barber shops. And so that's where they get the name. It is one of the more serious issues we have with our animals. This is a coccidia, and this is where we need to know what we're looking at, because coccidia uses a totally different drug than your stomach worms do. And this one we call EMAC because that's easier to say than the whole name. And this one is our second most serious parasite we deal with. EMAC can cause major diarrhea, ill thrift, cria, which are babies. If they get EMAC when they're young, it's probably going to stunt their growth or at least slow them down.